Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a Canva Pro account to access premium design features and resources, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and subscription. Step 1. Visit the Canva website at canva.com. If you don't already have a Canva account, click Sign Up to create one first. Step 2. Choose your sign-up method. You can register using Google, Facebook, email, or other authentication options. Step 3. Once you're logged into your free Canva account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Upgrade to Canva Pro from the drop-down menu to view premium plan options. Step 5. Review the Canva Pro features, which include access to millions of premium photos, videos, and graphics, plus advanced tools like Background Remover and Brand Kit. Step 6. Choose your billing cycle. Canva Pro offers monthly or annual subscriptions, with the annual plan providing a discount. Step 7. Click Continue, or Start your free trial to begin. Canva typically offers a 30-day free trial for new Pro subscribers. Step 8. Enter your payment information, including credit card details and billing address. You won't be charged until after the trial period ends. Step 9. Review the subscription terms and pricing, then click Start Free Trial or Subscribe Now to complete your upgrade. Step 10. Verify your subscription by checking your account. Your profile should now show Canva Pro status, and you'll have access to all premium features. Step 11. Explore Pro features like the Content Planner, Premium Templates, Brand Kit, and Background Remover to maximize your subscription value. Step 12. Check your email for confirmation from Canva with your subscription details and billing information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.